So recently I dropped this particular update, joining my community in my WhatsApp group to make sure that they have connected their wallets on their NodePay accounts, and a lot of people have been on my DM. I've been getting some messages like this: how do you do it? Who that doesn't use system, maybe laptop or anything, maybe any device that is not just phone, just mobile phone. And the question have been there, and I know some of you guys on YouTube here also have this same problem, because I know that not everybody have system or laptop or iPad or whatever. So today's video, there is an update. The video I'm going to drop now is not, I'm not the one that did the video, so credit to the owner of the video. I don't know the owner of the video, but credit to it. So I'm going to drop this video right now for you guys, because this guy explained how you can use your phone to actually connect, how you can change the settings you have to do in your phone to connect your NodePay account, your wallet to your NodePay account. So try your best to watch this video. Just calm down, watch the video, and you'll explain it. So if you actually like the video, don't forget to drop a like. And if you don't know about NodePay, follow the link in the description of this video, watch the video in the description of this video, or first comment of this video for you to do it. But now, for those of you that is having issue with connecting your NodePay account, I have two options for you. It's either you go and look for where to get somewhere, one way or the other, to get a system to connect your wallets. Maybe log into the system, create a wallet in the system, or log in your Web3 wallet in the system, or you follow what this guy is saying in this video. I don't know how it's going to be in some people's phone, because phone varies. Now everybody's not using the same phone, but let's just try this one out. Without saying much, just watch this video and know if you can do it on your own. Have a nice day, guys.
Okay, so if you know this on NodePay, right, you try to connect your wallet and they tell you it's only available on desktop, on PC, right? If you have PC, you can connect it, but if you don't have PC, right, this is what to do. Depending on your phone, go ahead and click on your PC, scroll down and you see a settings icon here. Click on it, right? Come to your phone, this side, scroll up, and then click on this build number. Click on it 7 times. Hope you understand. Right, click on it 7 times, and then they will give you a developers option. They will give you the authorization. Hope you understand. And then go back, scroll up, go to system, go to developer options. Hope you understand. Scroll up. You see smallest width. You can see it here. So I'll just change this to 1000 now. Click OK, right? And then I'll go back to the site. But this time, scroll down and then change to auto rotate. Hope you understand. Auto rotate, and then rotate your phone, right? Let's see. So as you can see now, I'll be able to connect my wallet on mobile. Hope you understand. Then I'll just click on connect wallet. They show I'll use Solana for this, right? Phantom wallet. So this how to do it, right? In case of those that don't have access to PC, hope you understand. I just want to show you this, right? So as you can see, I have successfully connected my wallet. I'll just confirm it now. They said they'll send email verification on my email. I'll click on send, right? So as you can see, my wallet is verified. I can just return to dashboard. So that's it, right? If you don't have a PC, just do this, right? In case of so that's all.